Hey everyone, in this video we'll be showing you what to do if your Snapchat messages aren't working. So the first things you can do is to restart the app by swiping up and then swiping up again to kill the app and then opening the app again, going to your profile and settings, scrolling down and then logging out and then logging back in, or reinstalling the app if it comes to that. Now, if those options didn't work, try going to settings, and then as you can see, I've scrolled down here. Go to clear cache and tap clear. And that will clear all the cache for you. And then tap OK, and the app will close. And hopefully when you open it again, your messages will work. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please leave us a like, drop us a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. Bye!